क्या और तुम्हें बतलाऊं, बेहतर है अब उड़ जाऊं, पैगाम यही दे जाऊं और चीख चीख कर गाऊं। हम गीत प्रेम के गाएं, हर मजहब को अपनाएं, जुल्मों से भी टकराएं, इंसान नेक बन जाएं। ये जीवन है अनमोल, क्या हिंदू क्या सिख ईसाई। धन्यवाद, आपके दिन मंगलमय हो। God can be realized by means of all paths, because infinite are the paths. A warm and pleasant morning to all. Today I am Niyati Badyal of class 9 from KV Kishtwar, and I am going to tell you a topic. My topic is maintaining religious harmony. First of all, I am very honored to be here in front of you all. So getting on my topic, some people are so convinced that their religion is only the right one. You will never find them asking for Hindu blood or Muslim blood or Christian blood at a hospital. I believe that God has put different gifts and talents and abilities in every one of us. When you develop that, when you believe in yourself, when you believe that you are a person of influence, you are a person of purpose, I believe that you can get out of any situation. No matter the religion, just be a good person, and that's what really matters. And remember that God is always there. Well, I want to ask that if all religion teach peace, then why can't all religions achieve peace? You don't need religion to have morals. If you can't determine right from wrong, then you lack empathy, not religion. Religion is never a problem. It's the people who use it to gain power. Your attitude will be like, when I do good, I feel good. When I do bad, I feel bad, and that's my religion. You don't need to be anything. God is always there. Just do good things. I believe that people are tired of religion and how it divides and damages people. You can name it whatever you want, Hinduism, Islam or Christianity. But when you have a system in which God is distant and angry all the time, it doesn't matter. If you are trying to please Him through the right disciples, it will not work for everyone. Why we are setting limitations, why we are setting boundaries, just because we belong to different religions? These are just topics to discuss. Communal harmony, maintaining religious harmony. Think for a moment, are we even letting these topics affect us in our daily lives? Keep moving on your path and never let these kind of distractions distract you. Be kind, be humble, because one day we all have to leave this world behind. Not as a Hindu, not as a Muslim or Christian, but as a human being. And on that day, no one will remember your religion. No one. The only thing people are going to remember is how you treated them. So treat people with kindness without any selfishness. Reminding yourself the fact that what you give always comes around. And remember that never ever think of yourself superior from others. Respect your other's religion just like the way you respect yours, because maybe there are different religions, but the essence of every religion is same. At last, but not the least, I want to present a Hindi poem. The poem goes like, एक रोज में पूजा करने, भक्ति की गागर भरने, मंदिर जो लगी उतरने, वहाँ देखे खून के झरने। मंदिर मस्जिद का पंगा, मजहब को कर गया नंगा, हैरान खड़ी थी गंगा और पल में हो गया दंगा। तू राम नाम सद बोल, मैं वापस जंगल हो आई, चुप धीरे धीरे बोल, बुलबुल गीत सुनाने आई। एक रोज गई जब थाने, जुल्मों की रपट लिखाने, कोई माने या ना माने, मैं जानू या रब जाने। इल्जाम लगाकर झूठा, वर्दी वालों ने कूटा, फिर जिसने चाहा लूटा, विश्वास का भांडा फूटा। कुछ बोल ज़बाना खोल, इस जा कुआं उस जा खाई, चुप धीरे धीरे बोल, बुलबुल गीत सुनाने आई। एक रोज गजहरी आई, पेशी की सुनवाई, पर आगे बड़ी पछताई, मैं फंस गई राम दुहाई। सब लिए हाथ कशकोल, बोलो जय जय रिश्वत माई। क्या और तुम्हें बतलाऊं, बेहतर है अब उड़ जाऊं, पैगाम यही दे जाऊं और चीख चीख कर गाऊं। हम गीत प्रेम के गाएं, हर मजहब को अपनाएं, जुल्मों से भी टकराएं, इंसान नेक बन जाएं। ये जीवन है अनमोल, क्या हिंदू क्या सिख ईसाई। धन्यवाद, आपके दिन मंगल हो।